Honestly, it's a pretty darn good time to be in retail real estate. Demand exceeds supply. Our product is very, very well accepted, particularly in the mixed use side of our business. The places people know, like Santana Row, Assembly Row, Bethesda Row, are performing at the top of their game.
I'm here today with Don Wood, CEO of Federal Realty Investment Trust. Welcome, Don.
Thanks, Sarah.
So as you meet with investors here at REITworld, are there common questions or themes that are coming up?
Well, yeah, everything around our business is about growth and how we can grow. And honestly, it's a pretty darn good time to be in retail real estate. Demand exceeds supply. Our product is very, very well accepted, particularly in the mixed use side of our business. The places people know, like Santana Row, Assembly Row, Bethesda Row, are performing at the top of their game these days. I'm really bullish on the next few years.
And how active do you expect to be in the year ahead regarding acquisitions or dispositions?
I'd like to be active in both. We've got a strong pipeline of things that we're looking at. We did just put today, actually, an asset on the West Coast under contract that we expect to close in February. There will be more to come that way. And with respect to dispositions, I always think that you want to lean out the portfolio for those assets that no longer fit the overall business plan. You should see us very active next year.
And is there a feature of your latest earnings report that you feel speaks to a key strategy or objective underway?
Well, and again, we've been a company that has done mixed use for 30 years now. And one of the things about it that I find very interesting is, there's a shortage of apartments in America for places for people to live. And we've got some great shopping centers with some excess land on them. Leaning into those residential add-ons, if you will, to the existing shopping centers is something that we're really focused on and should make some good productivity on in 25 and certainly 26.